Hello and welcome. I'm Isha Singh Malik, a cybersecurity specialist, educator, and aspiring entrepreneur, and I am thrilled to introduce you to our groundbreaking course, Generative AI for Leaders Strategy, Impact, and Execution in 2025. As we all know, guys, generative AI for leaders is really very crucial for new beginners or for the people who want to have their own startup, to build their own company, or something like that. Generative AI is really crucial because it helps us a lot. And now, what we are going to do is generative AI is reshaping industries, revolutionizing decision making, and redefining leaderships. It is helping us in ways we never imagined. First of all, I'll let you know that how generative AI for leaders is crucial. It is reshaping the industries, and how so? It is reshaping the industries by revolutionizing the make decision making. Like they help us in creating lots and lots of good decisions, and they help us in taking a financial throwback so that we can get to know that how we can have our startup in such a way. It also redefines the leadership redefines just give me a second. Yeah, redefines the leadership skills in ways that we have never imagined. We never imagined. Like, we cannot even think that it can help as a leader, guys, as a leader or leaders, you can say. Your ability to harness AI strategically isn't optimal, it's essential. That means it is really, really necessary. It's not like an option. It's not an option for you to go. It's necessary. It's necessary to harness AI strategically. It is necessary to understand AI strategically and use it in such a way, because it is not an option that you cannot use generative AI if you want a very good idea for your startup or for the leaders who want to have their startup in future. This course isn't just about understanding AI, it's about leveraging AI to drive innovation, optimize strategies, and expect visionary leaderships in a rapidly evolving digital world. So in this particular video, I'm going to let you through, you can say, the course overview, so that you can get to know that what things are we going to learn in this particular course, and what I'm going to take you through all over the sessions. So the course overview is like, first of all, this will be going to divide it into modules, like module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. First of all, module 1 is going to be about the Gen AI era. What is Gen AI era? That means the Gen AI era. That simply means what every leader must know, that what is Gen AI, what are the benefits of Gen AI, or what are the stuff that you should know about Gen AI. So Gen AI, what a leader must know about Gen AI. Know about Gen AI. This is what we are going to learn in the module 1. Module number 2 is going to be about the strategic business applications for, or you can say for or of, Gen AI. That simply means that what are the strategies that we can use Gen AI for? What business applications are there? Like, you say what kind of applications, like, you can say, either it could be Chat GPT or Gemini or BERT, what we can use and how these can help in business applications with the help of Gen AI. So this is what we are going to understand in the module 2. Then moving on to the module number 3, what things we are going to learn is, module number 3 is going to be about how you can play with the Gen AI tools. Playing with the Gen AI. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, yeah. Gen AI tools. And after that, module number 4 is going to be about, yeah, module number 4 is going to be about building a Gen AI strategy for your organization. Building a strategy, or you can say Gen AI strategy for your organization. Guys, that simply means is that how you can take a help of Gen AI to strategize, you can say, to develop your organization, like what things or what tools of Gen AI, like how you can use Chat GPT, how you can use BOT, and where you can use and for what purpose you can use, and this is how you can build your organization with the help of Gen AI strategy. Moving on further will be the module number 5, and module number 5 will help us to understand about the ethical AI, risks and governance. That means what is the usage of ethical AI and how you can ethically use AI, as well as the risks and the governance with the Gen AI. Yeah. Like, what are the risks if you are using this particular Gen AI, or how these can create a chaos or mess in your lives or in your organization. So you should also be aware about that, and that particular thing we are going to discuss in the module number 5. Then moving on to the next module, that is module number 6, and second last module of our course overview, that is leading AI driven teams. Leading AI driven teams. That means we can create AI teams all over the world and spaces, so that we can lead it with the help of Gen AI. That is generative AI. Moving on further, module number 7, and we are going to discuss in the module number 7 is about the future of Gen AI. Like, what is the future of Gen AI and how this generative AI is going to take place, and what's next that's coming up into the generative AI itself. So this is it for the course overview, guys. And as leaders, it's not enough to observe AI's transformation. We must drive it, shape it, and execute it with precision and vision. This course will equip you with knowledge and execution skills, as well as strategy skills needed to harness AI effectively. So if you're ready to take a charge of AI strategies, leaderships, and everything, so let's dive into the next video and let's see what we can learn about it. See you in the next video.